Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Authentically Sherrell. Today, I'm going to be doing a cleaning video for you. I'll be posting cleaning, DIYs, and motivational videos. So, if you like what you see, just hit the subscribe button below. Hope you enjoy. Just a little information about who I am. I'm a proud Air Force wife, and we live on military housing. We have 2 Hershey kisses of the age of 9 and 7, and I've been married to my forever boyfriend for 14 years. Believe it or not, our dishwashers are dirty and can have buildup and mold. So that is why I like to clean our dishwasher at least once a month. I found some really disturbing things in there that I am so embarrassed to share. There were some nasty chunks that were found underneath my filter. I'm so glad the camera did not show you guys. It was gross. I like to spray our dishwasher parts with this cleaner. Inside this bottle is equal parts water and equal parts multi-purpose cleaner. To ensure that our washer is thoroughly clean, I like to pour cleaning vinegar in the smaller compartment and a cleaning pod in the other. I am on the hunt for an oven cleaner that doesn't cause you to cough up a lung like this can product. Y'all, I had to turn on the fan just to breathe. If you have any recommendations, please help this girlfriend out by commenting below. I would greatly appreciate it. I forgot to show, but I placed the oven drip pans in the dishwasher, then turned it on at the highest cleaning setting. I'm just wiping our counters and appliances with Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner and apple cider. It smells so good, and I'm so glad that I picked it up and decided to try it when I saw it on sale at Target. After washing the dishes, I like to clean my sink. And you guys, I love a sale. And so I got this Mrs. Meyer's product in the scent Pine at the VX. The scent is a little too strong for me, and so I had to add a little baking soda just to tone it down. How many people place their sponges and cloths in the microwave for a minute? Am I the only one? Before vacuuming, I like to sprinkle my carpets with a DIY carpet cleaner. Inside my mason jar is baking soda and lavender essential oil. So here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed watching, and please come back soon.